In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Keyword Planner for Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the tool, discover new keyword ideas, and make sense of the numbers you see so you can plan smarter campaigns. Once you're inside your Google Ads account, look to the left bar and click on Tools. In the pane that opens, expand the Planning section. This is where Google keeps its research utilities. Finding it here helps you stay organized, because everything related to planning is grouped in one place. Next, select Keyword Planner. This brings you to the hub for keyword research within Google Ads. It's designed to help you uncover terms your audience is actually searching for and to estimate how competitive those terms might be. Now, click Discover New Keywords to start. In the search field, enter keywords that are closely related to your product, service, or topic. Think of a few strong seed ideas that represent what you offer and what a customer might type when they're looking for it. Aim for clear, specific phrases rather than single, vague words. For example, instead of just shoes, use something like running shoes for flat feet or waterproof hiking boots. You can add multiple ideas at once. Separate them clearly so the tool can analyze each one. This step is about giving the planner enough context to return useful suggestions, so don't worry about being perfect. You can refine later. When you're ready, click Get Results. You'll now see a list of keyword ideas along with data you can use to your advantage. Pay attention to average monthly searches. This shows demand. Look at competition to gauge how many advertisers also want that traffic. You'll also see top-of-page bid ranges, which hint at potential cost. These numbers help you balance reach and affordability. If a phrase has meaningful search volume, moderate competition, and a reasonable bid range, it may be a strong candidate. Notice trends too. If interest spikes at certain times, you can plan ahead. Use these insights to prioritize which keywords best match your goals and your budget. Group closely related ideas together so you can later craft tight, relevant ad copy and landing pages. Long-tail phrases often signal higher intent and can be more cost-effective, while broader terms may help with reach. The key is alignment. Choose keywords that reflect what you actually offer and what users expect to find. And that's it. You clicked Tools, expanded Planning, selected Keyword Planner, used Discover New Keywords to enter your ideas, and hit Get Results to review the data. With this workflow, you can confidently build a focused keyword list for your campaigns.